in the beginning, because why I said in the beginning is it has a reason to it. Because as the journey continues, as you grow or you progress to keep up with your dreams, you achieve a substantial remark in your life. After that, at one point of time, if you don't have that small amount of ego in yourself, it is not always very profitable for you. It is good to have ego, but you should have the positive ego, not the negative one. You should not look down on anyone, but you should have enough ego to know your own self-worth, right? And the second thing, your comfort zone. So you should first identify which things are keeping you in your comfort zone, right? How and where you get comfortable, and your mind is so much satisfied in it, in that zone, that it does not want to go out of its ways to struggle to achieve something good, something that you can say, okay, I have achieved it, right? So that is how you get out of your comfort zone. Go out and struggle, go out, do the things that you don't like, get your hands dirty. That is when you will have the what you say, reward for the work that you did. And the third thing, that is okay, we have the ego, we have comfort zone, and the third thing is you should not listen to anyone's judgment on you or their views about you. Because when you do that, okay, so what you're doing indirectly is telling your brain that okay, he might be right, feeding your brain the underconfidence that you do not want anyhow if you want to achieve something big, right? So those are the three things you should look out for. And the second topic, what decisions that I made, okay, that made me money. First of all, it was the decision of starting my own brand, Zerado, a luxury skincare brand, and through which I'm hoping to do something fabulous in India, something new that was never done before. Trying to do something, most people will think and they will just ignore the idea, or most people will say it won't work, but I don't care. If you don't try, you never gonna know, right? So yes, that is the first decision that I took that made